We are now by the old Dutch church that you can see over there, Catholic church over there. And there's some plow trucks over there plowing. You'll see the tombstones if you look that way, and a lot of them, some of them, are completely covered. You can see a little bump here and there from tombstones. It's also a cemetery from Civil War, and they've been manually cleaning up here. You can see, and if you look at the flag, you know the wind is not as windy as it was this morning. This morning it was moving pretty heavily. So